In this video, we will show you what's in the box of Reolink E1 Outdoor, the smart 5-megapixel PTZ Wi-Fi camera with spotlights, and guide you on how to install and set it up in minutes. Open the box. You'll find the Reolink E1 Outdoor camera and the accessories provided that you may need to get started. Reolink E1 Outdoor is a compact but versatile dual-band Wi-Fi camera. By freely switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it provides stable network connection. On-camera person and vehicle detection with no subscription fees effectively cuts down on false or unnecessary alarms after simple settings. This pan and tilt camera comes with the latest auto tracking technology, which is going to come in handy when you need to follow the intruders or their vehicles with a wider viewing angle. 3x optical zoom empowers you to zoom in for more 5 megapixels Super HD details. Motion-activated spotlights make it possible to record every move in full color at night and warn off the would-be burglars with the addition of siren. Built-in mic and speaker for two-way audio, hearing and replying simultaneously in real time. Micro SD card socket for up to 256 gigabytes local recordings. Powerful waterproof for outdoor use, even in harsh weather. Time-lapse to see more in less time. The easy-to-set-up design of Reolink E1 Outdoor costs you only minutes to power on and initially set it up. To power on E1 Outdoor, use the power adapter provided to power on the camera. Connect the camera to your router via an Ethernet cable. To set up the camera, open the Reolink app, then follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. Create the password and name for the camera. Choose the Wi-Fi network and connect your camera to it. Now you can tap to see the live view on your phone or to experience person and vehicle detection and other practical features. Reolink E1 Outdoor can be installed upside down outdoors, such as in your backyard, front door, or other places as you want. To install E1 Outdoor to the wall, put the mounting template on the wall to get started. Then, drill holes and screw the security bracket to the wall at the indicated locations. Attach the camera to the security bracket and adjust it to the proper direction. You may also install the camera on the ceiling. Remove the screw and take out the security mount. Drill holes and screw the security mount on the ceiling. Align the camera with the mount and secure it. For better image or video quality, please avoid facing the camera directly to sunlight or glass windows, and avoid mounting the camera in places where are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using Reolink E1 Outdoor 5 megapixels PTZ Wi-Fi camera with smart person and vehicle detection, visit support.reolink.com.